She's bold, she's fluffy, and she's got pipes. Meet Lucy the Leonberger, one half of the big dog duo, belting out her own version of Domino. Warning, tail wags, head bobs, and major main character energy ahead.
Like a Zoomy queen, tail wagging, making quite a scene. Yeah, I'm big, but I move so fast. Catch me if you can, carbon bet you finish last. I take over the couch, take over the bed. Big paws, big heart, and a big head. I'm a Leonberger, I do my thing. Come on, Carbon, let's dance, let's sing. Oh, 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 just laying next to you. Fluffy is fine, it's what we do. We're the big dog duo. And we know nothing beats a cuddle after Zoomies, though. Side by side, tails in sync, drooling on the floor while we take a blink. Life's real good when you're this big. Just don't steal my snack, Carbon, I'm real quick. Oh, 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 don't need to be small. We take up the room, we take up it all. We cuddle, we play, we nap all day. Life's too good, let's keep it this way. Big paws, big heart, big dog fun. And we're just getting started, we're never done. Big paws, big heart, big dog fun. Just getting started, we're never done.
Thanks for jamming with us today, friends. We had a positively great time.
If you smiled even once, give that like button a little tap.
Share it with your pack and your cat crew too.
Smash that subscribe button like a cat on a keyboard, because the tunes and the tales are just getting started.